Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the hotspot password in the Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Mobile Hotspot. You should see a list of related options pop up, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and hotspot settings. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Mobile Hotspot. Once inside, you might need to tap it again to enter the detailed settings screen, depending on your phone model or software version. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see the current hotspot name and password displayed right there on the screen. If you want to change the password, simply tap on the password field, type your new password, and then tap Save. Pro tip: make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.